Ni hao. Mayong adlaw sa tanan karon maginamaw na sa taxi, Maxim or Grab. Pero before ta maginamaw, mamahaw sa ako kay gutom na kayo. Naaday ko diri sa Bus Mayor, ni bali ko diri sa Talamban ba tapad sa USC. Lami makailang beef pares good nya. Nabitin ko atong last time ni Ari ko ba katong kuyog ming boy Bisaya. Karon ni balik yo diri kay ako yung solito ng ilang mga pagkain ng mga immortal. Tara! Alright guys, dara akong gipang order. Beef pares, lechon kawali pares, nguyong, fried chicken, nya, only rice, nya, nana sa siyay, soft drinks. 119 ra ilahang only rice, nya. Kung di ka gusto mag only rice, tag 99 ra. Susulit kayo. Aprobado kayo sa mga immortal ang beef pares. Lami kayong sabaw, lapot-lapot ba nya. Tamis-tamis gamay. Ang ihang unod, very tender, humo kayo. Mura na siya matunaw si mong baba ba. Last time wa man ni kay akong natilawan last time ni Arico katumang lechon kawali. Lami gyapon kay lang lechon kawali kay crunchy kayong panit sa baboy ba. Ya, ang yang sabaw mo ra gyapon pare-pareha ra sila. Yang ilahang nguyong kagumkom sa kayo, crunchy kayo nya. Pusok sa kay sud ba. Di sad palupig ilahang fried chicken kay juicy kayo ang unod nya. Crispy kayong panit, isaw-saw nimo sa sauce nga nay sili ug limonsito. Perting ayusa, buto kayo, paningto ng agtang. Nya paluapan din nimo soft drinks, ayos kayo. Thumbs up ko sa kusinero diri kay haom kayo sa panglasa sa immortal ilang mga putahi. Busog na kay ko guys. Tara inamaw na ta, magatang na tag taxi. Bumbalabep.
Ni hao. You Philippine? Small English. Small.
Go ahead.
Going back.
Going back.
Yeah.
You Philippine?
Yeah.
Philippine.
Ni hao.
Yeah.
Yeah. Vlog.
We're going
no,
to
music. No.
no music.
Siyang iPhone này nãy giờ rất là Mi
North.
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 What is the place to the north to going down?
siyang iPhone này nào wang nè, số chuang nè, na chuang nè, na rakutin, số sim fuji yang wang mani yatani, isinip yukuluk siyang tayo oinomed, yahunap siyang iPhone na, mi recording,
Yeah.
vlog. Yeah. You name?
Erwin.
Erwin. Hi.
I'm Erwin in the Philippines, taxi driver.
Yeah, Philippine.
Me Womanis. Yeah. Travel. Siyang iPhone này na yukuluk driver, Erwin. Yukuluk driver. Good
Yeah,
driver.
Erwin. Yeah.
Oinomed.
Enemy?
Yeah, good driver.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yawunap.
Yeah, enough.
Yawunap.
You're enough.
Yeah. You. Yawunap.
Yeah.
Yeah. Siya lại phone này na tông nhang na, siya ta wa na chuan ya na phone nói na ya. Yawunap siya ang xin ting na driver Erwin. No traffic. Small.
Small traffic.
Small.
And the light moderate.
In the light. Moderate.
Yeah.
Good. Siya lại phone này. You have a husband?
No.
No.
I'm single.
Single. No husband. Siya lại phone ya na yawunap driver. You kuluk siya na wa mani yatani. It's in it. Yeah. Siya ya phone này nè không la. No children.
No. They have three children.
Three children.
Yeah.
No married. 3 children.
Yeah.
Oh. You lover boy.
Yeah, lover.
Erwin from Philippines. Yeah. Siya like phok tay này na sung tuwang nè. Rakutin na shushin fuji ya phone nói nè. How long driving?
Start here going to
Yeah. North.
Yeah, north house. What's the name? What's the place your house?
Yukuluk Tower.
Yukuluk Tower.
Yeah, Yukuluk Tower. Office.
Yukuluk Tower office.
Yeah. Building.
What is the complete address of Yukuluk Tower?
Yukuluk Tower, Cebu.
Complete address of the Yukuluk Tower.
Lilu and Stitch.
Liloan State. Okay.
Lilu and Stitch. Good.
Liloan State.
Lilu and Lilu.
Liloan or
Liloan.
Consolacion? Consolacion or Liloan? Liloan? What's your have a Google map of your house?
Low battery.
You charge?
Charge?
You have a cord charger?
iPhone.
iPhone.
Show an iPhone yung little one.
The one of it.
Little one. You know little one?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yukuluk Tower building.
Okay.
Siya lang yung phone này là beside Oinomed Spa. Oinomed Spa.
Yeah, right.
Front, it's in a pharmacy. Yeah, like tourist living. Good.
Yeah.
想要风来年东往那，然后地呢，学习附近要风东年话。You hi, you know shout out.
Shout out of all taxi driver in Cebu.
Okay.
He's a very good driver.
Yeah. Philippine, Cebu City.
Yeah, Cebu City.
Yeah, Cebu. You live Cebu?
Cebu.
Liluan?
Yeah.
You from Liluan?
Here in Cebu.
Her here.
Cebu City.
Cebu City.
Yeah.
Erwin, chong phone ni nang tong reside Cebu City, chong na phone na Philippine good taxi, siya na phone to yen na siya tanang wa like to phone yen good.
Yeah.
Eat.
Eat?
Yeah, lunch already?
No.
No? Me already lunch. Eat meat. Yeah, restaurant. Exotic frog, goat,
Yeah.
goat meat. You like? No?
Frog. I like a frog.
You like frog?
Yeah.
Good. Yeah. Crunchy. Siya yung phone na deep fried.
Oh, fried.
Fried frog. Good. You like chicken?
Yeah, chicken.
Like chicken. Siya yung phone na inektan. You try camel? Camel meat?
No.
Kangaroo?
No, man.
No. Siya lang phone na tang na siya na wang na crocodile.
No.
Siya lang phone only frog.
Yeah, frog.
Frog.
Yeah.
Frog and
Chicken.
goat, carabao.
No.
No.
Never tried.
No carabao. Siya lang yung phone na fucking yang na no carabao, no camel, crocodile. No. Siya lang phone na. Siya ta siya wang na phone no yang na.
Your country is
Woman. Yeah.
Woman.
Me speak Womanese.
Womanese.
Yeah.
Womanese your
Language Womanese. You know you go woman? You
No.
go? No? You here only?
Yeah, here in the Philippines.
Philippines only. Yeah. Nice. Very hot.
Yes, it's very hot.
Philippine hot,
Yeah.
not cold. Nya kung mag-uwan boss, mag-raincoat ka mag-drive taxi,
Mag-drive.
mag-raincoat. Sure that was
Lagi. Tulo man ang atok.
to. Tugoy yan mo. Bumbalabap.